The iQOO 15R will debut in India on February 24th. The handset appears to be a rebrand of the iQOO Z11 Turbo, which was unveiled in China. The iQOO 15R is expected to be released in India in at least two colorways, black and blue. The iQOO 15R features a 6.59-inch flat AMOLED display with a 2750 by 1260 resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. The phone runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset paired with LPDDR5X Ultra Quad-Channel RAM with UFS 4.1 storage, runs Origin OS 6 based on Android 16. The iQOO 15R is confirmed to feature a Sony LYT 750 megapixel main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 32MP selfie camera. The 15R houses a 7,600 mAh Blue Ocean battery. It supports 100W ultra-fast charging and bypass charging. The iQOO 15R will also be sold in India on Amazon.in, in addition to the iQOO India online store. It will be priced under 50,000 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.